Is ethanol the future of India's fuel mix? A push for higher ethanol blends is underway. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has issued a draft notification proposing amendments to the Central Motor Vehicles rules to formally include higher ethanol blended fuels. The draft rules have been opened for public comments, after which the government will take a final call. So what is the proposal and how will it affect consumers? Let's break it down. The draft suggests provisions for E85 and E100 fuels. E85 is petrol blended with 85% ethanol, and E100 refers to a high ethanol fuel blend that is nearly pure ethanol. On April 1st, the country began the mandatory sale of E20 fuel, which is petrol blended with 20% ethanol. It is now focusing on transitioning to flex fuel vehicles, which can run on ethanol blends of up to 100%. So what are flex fuel vehicles? These vehicles are specifically designed to run on higher ethanol blends with specialized engines and fuel systems. The government is now preparing updated testing norms to enable the commercial production of these vehicles. The aim is to reduce India's dependence on petroleum imports and improve energy self-sufficiency. It becomes crucial at this juncture, where the crisis in West Asia has sent the crude oil prices above $100 per barrel and the supply chains are heavily disrupted. Now the bigger question is, how will this transition take place and why are consumers and automakers concerned? Moving beyond E20 has its own challenges. It would require more technological upgrades since E85 and E100 have fundamentally different engineering challenges from E20. And the transition will have three key requirements. Engines must adapt. This means shifting to flex fuel vehicles. Fuel stations must install separate storage and dispensing infrastructure for higher blends. And ethanol production must scale significantly. For vehicle owners, fuel efficiency is a major concern. Ethanol has lower energy density than petrol, which means higher fuel consumption per kilometer. The introduction of higher blends could also influence the pricing of vehicles. They may get more expensive, and in a price-sensitive market like India, cost plays a huge role. There are already early signs of impact. Vehicles designed for E10 fuel are seeing a 1 to 2% drop in mileage with current E20 blends. This affects millions of vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2023. With the proposed shift to E85 and E100, these concerns are likely to grow further. Automobile manufacturers are concerned about performance and engine compatibility. Since higher blends like E100 cannot replace petrol directly, they would require stronger engines, specialized fuel systems, and stricter quality standards. For now, there is no immediate impact as E20 remains the current standard, but the draft signals a gradual shift. The transition will require strong groundwork, including improved vehicle compatibility and better fuel infrastructure. It will also be crucial to ensure vehicles remain affordable for consumers. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.